Welcome to the channel. As usual, we're going to try to make this short and comprehensive. This lesson is about fake out. We spoke about breakouts. Now I want you guys to know that this is all basic. I don't want you guys to be getting in and getting out yet because I'm not showing you the price action. You guys have to learn just the basics and what they are. It's just like anything. If even learning a language, you want to learn the alphabets first before you can speak. So right here, we're going to be talking about the fake out. This is the BTC USD. Now I will be showing you guys on all the markets because I want you guys to see that all these methods, all this knowledge, they work in all the markets. Of course, you are going to be taking losses, and that's very normal. Nobody's going to win without losses. The whole point is to be consistently profitable at the end of the week, at the end of the day, or at the end of the month, and to be having a consistent salary. Over here, let's look at this. There's a sideways here, fake out. So we looked at the breakout. It's basically when it breaks out. Just we can show a quick review right here also. We're going to make a resistance. We showed you guys about resistance and support. You can go back and watch the lessons again if you have not got good at it yet, or just keep practicing if you watched it good. You have to practice, practice, practice. I'm always going to emphasize this because a lot of people just go in and just gamble their money. If you're going to gamble it, then this is not the right market for you. Over here, we see this. It's in a range right here, going sideways. And over here, we had the breakout. Now, what's a fake out? A fake out is when it goes out of the range you were in, whether it's the support or resistance. Here is the resistance. It comes, and instead of retesting and going back up, it comes back into the range. Now, I want you guys to just know these basics. Don't focus on right now, how do I know how to go here and come out and where to put the stop loss. Everything is coming. Just be patient. Just try to recognize the market, where it's moving at and how it's moving. That's the most important before you can get to the next levels. Of course, in the more advanced and pro classes, you will learn how to come in this area and you can catch a quick profit right here, up to here or up to here with tight stop losses, which will be like a 1-to-1, 1-to-2. These all will be coming in the future lessons. And we will be getting soon into the candles and the candle patterns, price action. So you will know how to come in, for example, right here, take some profits up to here, and then where to put your stop losses and profits. And if the market reverses, how to get out and take some losses and wait. For example, you have a nice confirmation here. We will be talking about these candles with the long wicks, with the long bodies and everything. And the price action, how it shows you which way the market might be moving. Nothing is 100%, of course, but to have a higher probability of understanding which way the market moves so you can follow the trend and make money with it. So over here, you saw the fake out. It came back right into the range before it spiked back up. And then again, you could have taken some profits, not at this candle, but at the green one. You could have come in and take some profits all the way up to the top of this green, or maybe a bit less. These all you will be learning. The chart is getting a little messy right now, so let's clean it up. I don't want you guys to get confused. Just want you to learn right now the fake outs. So over here, you learned that the market came back up right here and then came right back into the range. Same thing happened over here. Instead of continuing and going up, came back right into the range until eventually right here we had a up retest before the market flying back up and making loss of profits right here. As you see, if you came in around this area, this would have been a 1 to 3. So if a $100 investment would have give you about $300. So that means even if you had lost 2 other trades, and with this trade you would have still, if you had lost 2 trades of $200, $100 each, you would have still make $100 because you made $300 here. And this is how the risk management works, and many other things which we will be talking about. So just learn the breakouts, watch the videos over and over, keep watching the different ways the market's moving in the side trend, the uptrend, the downtrend, and how it's going to fake out or break out. Let's look at uptrend fake out. Okay, now we're in the 4 hours of BTC trying to find a fake breakout in the uptrend. Let me try to make this more visible. Okay, let's look at it over here. Let's draw the channels right here. This looks like a fake breakout right here. It's very important to draw the channels correctly. Everything is important. Okay, now zooming in over here. We can see that the market broke out with a nice big red candle, and it closed below the channel. It has to close below it for it to be a breakout. I mean, the signs are given, but instead of coming straight down or retesting and coming back down, it continued to go up. So this is a fake breakout. And then the same thing happened right over here, but you have multiple signs of weak candles, which we will be talking about in the price action. That's showing that the market is too weak to go down, and then it did climb back up. So this was 2 fake breakouts, one over here and one over here. And then from here we saw the market from a nice uptrend started ranging. Many points over here to keep buying and selling and making money. The market many times moves from an uptrend to a side trend, or keeps spiking up and then trends and then goes to a side trend. We will be learning all of this. Now we're going to look at it in 1 minute. We're going to try to find the downtrend fake out. I think I see one right here. Let's draw the channels. Let me put this on the arrow and we draw the bottom channel right here. Okay. So if we zoom in, this is a 1 minute. So in all time frames, you will see these different moves. Over here, we have a breakout. Let's try to zoom in a bit more. So you have a nice breakout right here, with a nice red candle. This could have been a profit, which we will learn in the future lessons. Right now is to know for a fake out. It came down. Instead of continuing or retesting and coming all the way down, it went back into the range or into the channel right here. Came here, went into the channel. Over here, this could have been a confirmation for it going up, but it returned back down. Retest, coming back down. This was some good profits, but it still did not continue down. So it was kind of like a fake out over here, even though we can catch profits. But it came back right into the range, came back down again, did a little fake out right here. And then you can see how the market came back in here, did a breakout right here, retest, back up, retest, until eventually going back all the way up. So this is the fake outs. Keep watching it in different markets. Watch the videos over and over again. Keep practicing. Let me make this clear over here. So just to show you guys, the fake outs can be detected in every kind of market. You just have to keep practicing until you get your eyes used to it. If you were to draw it just fast, just to see quickly, if you were to draw your channels right here, you can see multiple fake outs right here, coming back, trying again to go down, couldn't, came back into the range or the channel, and again did another fake out, went back up, retest, up. Profits here could have taken, profits here could have taken. Obviously there could have been some losses, could have hit your stop losses, but that's okay. Overall, it would have been wins. Keep practicing, and next lesson we will be talking about the retest, when the market comes here and retests, and then we will be getting into the candles soon. Not too far off, you could be starting making your first trades. Of course, I want you to trade in a demo account. So even if you lose, which you will be losing in the beginning, that's just normal until you get used to the market's movement and can follow the trends and can see to take the tight stop losses and the big profits. You can follow the Telegram channel. The link is in the video and also in the description of the channel. We will be giving signals there. The signals are not for you guys to follow these signals, because signals can always be adjusted. So if I put a signal, I could always be adjusting it and changing the positions. So this is all just for you guys to see how the market moves. Many people give signals and the outcome usually is more different than what it is, because the market is always moving. It's not stopping for nobody, and it doesn't have mercy on nobody. So this is all for your knowledge. Keep practicing until you get to the more advanced levels and you can make your own strategies. Everybody can make their own strategy that will be profitable. Continue watching, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next lesson.